Joe, Madam, the session that was given by Dr. Susanna was very enlightening, and even though I'm let's say, a pupil of spirituality, so on many levels it ignited my interest to know how she's teaching her way of self-love, as she said, and also she made us practice meditation for a couple of minutes, which was a wonderful exercise. And I think people who are in the corporate sector, working for the government, I mean, or anywhere, they can just take time out to sort of pull themselves back and let go of hurt or bad feelings or anger. And it's a wonderful exercise, because in work-related issues you come across that, or even in family issues, or even in relationships. So it's wonderful to even get that little tip from her. And I wish we could also have another session if possible, and get to talk to her, because she's a nutritional, she's sort of studied nutrition, and I think that will be also an excellent workshop if she does bring that to TADAP.